Mahirap talaga mag-process ng visa. Masasabi kong mahirap kasi nga na-experience ko and we did DIY on our K1 fiancé visa. And you know what guys, it took 3 months for us to be able to compile all the necessary documents that we needed. Kasi nga nanood pa ako ng YouTube videos and I asked a lot of people about it. 'Di ba, nakaka-stress and at the same time, time-consuming talaga siya. So kung ayaw niyong ma-stress kayo at mas mapabilis pa yung pag-process ng visa niyo, the only visa service that I would highly recommend in securing your visa is Filipino Visa. Yes, because they are going to help you throughout your journey in securing your visa. They are going to answer your questions right away regarding your visa. Oh, 'di ba? Hindi ka na mai-stress, less hassle, at mas mapapabilis pa yung pag-process ng visa mo. So for more information about Filipino Visa, you can see the link on my bio or I will just put the link on the comment section. Good luck on your journey of processing your visa.